Hey guys, welcome to Log on Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to screen record a video on your iPhone. And now let's start right in. Now to screen record a video on your iPhone, first open up or swipe up the system bar like this, where you will be able to see all of the system settings. And there, guys, you can see there is the red button flasking, which means I'm currently recording right now. If you tap on that button, the screen recording on an iPhone will be enabled and disabled at the same time. If you are going to record a screen if you are going to screen record a video on your iPhone, first open or swipe up the system bar like this, and after that tap on that button and you will start to record. But there might come a problem if you are not getting sound on your video. Tap and hold on that recording button like this, and you can see there is the microphone on and off button. If the button is currently off, then you will be not getting any sounds from your video. But if the microphone button is on and turned it on red, then you will be able to get the sounds on your screen recordings on your iPhone. With that being said, guys, this is how you screen record a video on your iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.